In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, right now I am in a park, local park in Lahore, and I am filming a very rare bird. Yes, viewers, an emperor heron. You can see that it is preening itself and sitting quite comfortably alongside the ducks. You can see that it has blue coated back, and you can see the tuft of wings on its backside. You can see the white colored feathers are there, and it is preening itself. Where these herons are larger in size than the common herons, the brown backed herons. It is more than double size. The eyes are red, beaks are black, the feet, you can see that it is yellow colored, and the whole body is grayish color, grayish white, and the backside and the head is bluish black. Here I have also prepared a video regarding this emperor heron, but that was not so close, and today I got an opportunity to approach the nearest of this rare bird. Here you can hear the different types of birds singing, chirping, tweeting. It is the summer days. You can hear, I have also seen different types of birds. You can see that on a far side, a white-throated kingfisher is sitting, but it is not in your focus. But this one, this blue-coated heron, yet it's also very cautious at the same time. Here you can hear the sound of the copper spade, the sunbirds, crows. You can see these ducks. Viewers, I'm sure you have enjoyed this video, the glimpse of this rare bird, very rare bird. It is a solitary bird and stays alone unless until the breeding season comes, and where you can see their pairs. So viewers, nature is very fascinating, nature is very lovely, and we must take care of our assets. We must take care of all those habitats where these beautiful creatures dwell. So when we preserve, when we conserve their habitats, then we can enjoy their sights, their beautiful sights. This is no doubt a man-made reservoir of water and park, but play your role in order to promote the love of nature, and you can best do this by also sharing this beautiful video with your friends and with your all nature lovers. Always keep smiling. Allah Almighty keep you happy and healthy.